Story time. So a few years back, I was on a budget, a really tight one actually, very much like the one I'm on now. But I needed a real brake cue. I had been using the super cheap wood one at the time, which is fine, but I felt like I finally had the technique that deserved a better cue. And as I did research on various brake cues, I kept hearing about this one company that supposedly made quality cues that didn't cost an arm and a leg. Now that's a bit of a red flag for me, but I dove in and all the reviews said it was a great cue, so I kind of just went for it. Y'all, this is the JFlowers BRKR. I got this and filmed my first break session with it and ended up making a review video. Check it out.
Look at that, 25.98.
I genuinely love this cue. No one asked me to make that video. I just did it. By the way, I tried to move on to other quality brake cues since, and nothing came close. I thought this cannot be right. There's no way something like this costing half as much as the others should be this good, but it continued to be true. And so a little while after I published that review video, JFlowers messaged me. They said, hey, can we use this review video on our website? I was like, it's a YouTube video, I don't care, sure. Fast forward a few years, up to a couple months ago, and I am now pouring so much energy and time into this channel, into whatever this is. And on a complete whim, I messaged them. I was like, hey, I don't know if you remember me. I would like to do some more review videos. The last thing I bought was great, just to see if they would respond. Yo, they didn't just respond. They instantly wanted to work together with me, which honestly, considering the brand that JFlowers has grown into, is not the response I expected at all. They came out of the gate with a super generous, we're gonna send you this and this to try. I was like, dude, I am not an equipment guy, right? I don't want to feel like I owe anybody some narrative, right? I do me. I tell my own stories. And I'm not exaggerating. They said, no narrative. We don't want that. We want you to do you. Take the stuff. Be honest. If you don't like the gear, talk about it. That's fine. If you do like the gear, talk about it. That's fine. And then talk to us some more. So essentially, they're gambling on themselves at this point. And that's the moment where I was like, yeah, something different is going on here. They asked me what I wanted to try. I was like, okay, I didn't really know what to expect. I kind of ran the gamut on them. I was like, here are the things that look good to me. Can I try them? They sent me everything. If you know me, you know that I'm not a gearhead, but I am super stingy about feel. I'm coming from using a mid-80s Sneaky Pete with keel wood, and I've avoided carbon shafts for years because I have tried them all and I don't like how they feel. But guys, just like this BRKR, I don't know what it is about their cues, but they feel good. Look at this. This is the Calcutta one, right? This is super pretty. I love the way this looks, and I did not expect them to nail how this feels with a freaking carbon shaft. This is the SMO carbon shaft, which is crazy low deflection. It's weird. I'm not supposed to have nothing bad to say, but I have nothing bad to say. It's no wonder they just wanted me to tell them honestly how they felt, because they knew they had a good product. And for no other reason than that. Yeah, baby, I am officially sponsored by JFlowers.
Let's go!
My very first sponsor ever. And y'all, I need you to understand what this actually means to me. I will get to what this means for you, I promise, but give me a minute here, okay? Because I feel like you deserve to know where I'm coming from. My entire career has been as a professional video editor in Los Angeles. A good career, great career, award-winning work kind of career. If you like, I can show some of my work at some point, but last year, the industry completely shifted. Work dried up, and I have had to make a decision with my wife that scares the pants off of me. I went all in on this, on pool, on storytelling, on a guy with a mouth and an obsession with a game. But y'all, I'm in an in-between season right now. If I want this to work, I have to make sacrifices. I have turned down jobs to chase this. I work 60 hours a week trying to force this thing into existence. Meanwhile, I got other things going on. I got to support my wife and my 4 little kids. I lead worship on Sundays. I take care of the dog. I have a house to take care of. And it's all a blessing. It is. but it's a lot to keep up with. And I gotta turn this thing into something that carries us forwards. And I gotta be honest with you, so far, nothing has really gone my way in terms of making ends meet. I'm keeping my head down, grinding, and I have learned to stop listening to the haters and start believing in myself to realize that you, my audience, you guys have been with me this whole time. And this sponsorship is the first real tangible sign of light at the end of the tunnel. And it didn't make me coast. If anything, lit a fire under me to work even harder, to grind even harder, which I know sounds unhealthy from where I'm already at, but I promise I will not burn out. But man, I am excited for what's next for me, and by extension, you. So let's get to what this means for you. Here's what's coming. Deep dives, Q reviews, what's in the case, giveaways, honest reviews. Guys, I mean honest. If something is great, I'll tell you. If it's not great, yeah, I'm gonna tell you. None of that changes because I'm wearing a shirt now. I'm excited to bring you both content and also great gear now. You guys, the difference between what JFlowers does and what all the big Q brands do is not in the quality of the product. JFlowers is already giving you a discount. So if you want to support me by grabbing some JFlowers gear, please use my link. It helps me out and you are getting premium quality gear without getting ripped off. So I just want to say, thank you, JFlowers, for betting on a storyteller instead of asking me to be someone that I'm not. And also you guys for being here. The support really does mean a lot. If this story means anything to you, do me a favor and drop in the comments blessings. If you want to keep watching this journey unfold, the reviews, the giveaways, all of it, like and subscribe. Every single one of you doing that is a blessing to me. So thank you. Until next time, happy shooting.